Choosing the right category, a guide to making informed decisions. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of choosing a category. This might sound straightforward, but it's a crucial part of many decisions we make in our daily lives, from organizing our tasks to navigating complex systems online. Understanding this phrase can help you make more informed decisions, improve your organizational skills, and enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. Let's dive in. Choosing a category involves selecting a group or class that a set of items or ideas belongs to. It's about identifying the common characteristics among these items and deciding under which broader heading they fit best. This process helps in organizing information, making it easier to understand, find, and communicate about. For example, in a grocery store, fruits are categorized separately from vegetables based on their botanical classifications, which helps shoppers find what they need more efficiently. Categories are everywhere. They help us in sorting information, making sense of complex data, and organizing our thoughts and surroundings. From dividing books into genres in a library to categorizing apps on your phone, the act of choosing a category simplifies our interaction with the world. It also aids in learning and memory by grouping similar information together, making it easier to recall when needed. Choosing the right category can sometimes be challenging, but here are some tips to make it easier. Understand the purpose. Know why you're categorizing something. Is it to organize your tasks, to understand a concept better, or to communicate more clearly? Identify common features. Look for shared characteristics among the items you're categorizing. This could be based on function, appearance, theme, or any other relevant criterion. Consider existing categories. Use established categories if they exist. This is especially helpful in academic and professional settings where consistency is important. Be flexible. Sometimes, an item might fit into more than one category. Be prepared to reevaluate and adjust your categories as needed. In language learning, choosing the right category can refer to selecting the appropriate word class, noun, verb, adjective, etc., for a new vocabulary word, or deciding the right tense for a verb in a sentence. It also applies to organizing language concepts into manageable groups for study, such as categorizing vocabulary by topics, e.g., food, travel, business, to make learning more effective. Choosing the right category is more than just a phrase. It's a valuable skill that helps us navigate both the physical and digital worlds with ease. Whether you're organizing your thoughts, your belongings, or information online, understanding how to effectively choose categories can enhance clarity, efficiency, and learning. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of categorization and given you some useful strategies for applying this concept in your own life. Thank you for watching, and happy categorizing!